Have you ever wondered how life events such as divorce can impact your credit score? It's a question many don't consider until they're knee-deep in the process. So hop along as we unravel this mystery and provide some helpful tips on how to minimize any potential damage. Firstly, it's important to understand that divorce itself doesn't directly affect your credit score. Shocking, isn't it? Instead, it's the financial decisions and changes that come with divorce that can have a real impact on your credit health. To illustrate, consider the division of assets. When a couple separates, they divide their shared assets. This includes joint accounts, which can be a significant factor in credit scoring. If an account is closed or if the debt is not paid on time due to confusion or disagreement, it can lead to a negative mark on your credit report. Then, there's the matter of alimony. If you're ordered to pay alimony and you fall behind, this can also affect your credit score. Late or missed payments are reported to the credit bureaus and can cause your score to drop. Now let's move on to the issue of income changes. Divorce often results in a change in income, which can affect your ability to pay off existing debts or take on new ones. This can lead to increased debt utilization, which is another factor that can lower your credit score. So how do you minimize the damage? Here are a few strategies. First, take inventory of all joint accounts and debts. It's vital to know where you stand financially. Next, consider closing joint accounts or converting them to individual accounts. This will prevent future disagreements over who is responsible for the debt. Another strategy is to keep up with your payments, especially alimony. Even if finances are tight, prioritize these payments to avoid a hit on your credit score. Lastly, be proactive about adjusting to your new income level. This might mean downsizing or budgeting more carefully to avoid racking up new debt. In summary, while divorce itself doesn't directly impact your credit score, the financial decisions and changes that come with it can. These include the division of assets, alimony payments, and income changes. But with a little foresight and strategic planning, you can minimize any potential damage to your credit health. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding how these processes work can help you navigate them more effectively and protect your financial future. So, the next time someone asks you, does divorce affect your credit score? You can confidently answer, it can, but there are ways to minimize the impact. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. Stay savvy and keep those credit scores healthy.